has formed in a way that oftentimes happens.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
There as well, right? Of course.
Yeah, it's still warm enough. I mean, there's a lot of things in there that are still capable of supporting tropical development. And we have some of the things that have traditionally ignited tropical development. So when you add up there, we're not going to turn our backs on the tropics. It's too early to do that. You know, we really have to wait till really the end of November to say, okay, we're pretty much done.
I think everyone's pretty much done, right?
I know, right? That's a different thing.
You want to be done, but we should wait till November. All right.
Indeed.
All right. Thank you so much,
Sure.
Dr. Rick Postel, expert analysis. All right. I see Paul Goodloe in the house.
there they
Maria
are.
LaRosa.
Oh, yeah.
Couple hours of fun right here. See you guys.
A high wind watch is in effect. Today, windy with rain and possibly some thunder. High 61. Winds could occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour. Tonight, rain and wind. Low 54. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Recovery underway. Parts of the Carolinas still under intense floodwaters. Several rivers remain in major flood stage. When the problems will end. Ahead on Weather Center Live. Welcome into Weather Center Live. I'm meteorologist Maria LaRosa.
And I'm meteorologist Paul Goodloe. First, we begin with a strong system.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
Already getting soaked by the